Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that all-new Can-Am Maverick R. I'm focusing a little bit on the shifters. So as you know, the Maverick R has the ability to go in automatic or manual mode, and you've got those paddle shifters located up on the steering wheel. Well, in typical EVO fashion, we've got some sweet billet shifters. We're going to get these installed. We'll show you a little bit about what they look like. Part number 925FC0746. We do have these available at Big Pine Sports. We'll get them installed and show you what they look like. Have a great day, everybody.